Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to display the sensor value on LCD using Proteus simulation. So here I have used potentiometer as a sensor. You can use any other sensor like moisture sensor or current sensor, voltage sensor, and you can display its value on LCD. So first of all we need to see the pin configuration of LCD. So this is the pin configuration. There are 16 pins numbered from 1 to 16. Their functions are as mentioned and its pins are labeled as such. So now we'll see the connection. So this is how we'll make the connections of between the Arduino and the LCD. So this is same as the connection of interfacing the LCD with the Arduino, which I have shown in my previous video. Only one thing is extra, that is we need to add this potentiometer, which will give the analog input to the A0 pin. You will better understand this in the simulation part where I'll make the connection. The same thing I have written here in words. So now we'll move on to the simulation part. So now you can see here that I have already made the connection. So for selecting the elements, you need to select here on P, and whatever elements you need to type it here. Like first of all I'll show you one example of Arduino. So you select this Arduino, click OK, it will be added here. Now you can select this one and paste it here. So in this manner you can select the different elements and then paste it here, and now make the connection. So the first pin will be connected to ground, the second pin will be connected to source, and third pin to the variable point of the potentiometer, fourth pin to the 12th pin of Arduino, fifth pin to ground, sixth pin to 11th pin of Arduino, and 12, 13, 14, 11, 12, 13, 14 pin of LCD to 5, 4, 3, 2 of Arduino respectively. So and this potentiometer, the value of which we need to measure, its variable point need to be connected to the A0 point of Arduino, and one terminal to the source and other terminal to ground. So now I'll show you the code which I'll dump in here. So this is how the code will look like. So here in form of comment I have written the connections. So this is how we are going to connect everything. You can refer here also. First of all we need to include the library for the LCD, that is liquid crystal.h. First of all initially we'll set the sensor value to 0, and then we'll initialize the interface pins. So this all 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2 pins of the Arduino will connect with the LCD. Now from here the code will begin. We'll mention the type of the LCD we are using, that is 16x2, that means 2 rows and 16 columns, and we will use this A0 pin of Arduino as input. Means we will get the vary the input of, that is the potentiometer value, and we'll get the analog signals on the A0 pin. We'll make it as input, and this will be converted to the digital form and it will be displayed on this LCD. Now this is the code. A0, the A0 value will be read and it will be stored in the sensor value variable whose initial value is set to 0. Now the cursor of the LCD will be set to 0, 0, that is first row and first column, and it will first print this sensor value, say colon. So it is in double inverted comma. Double inverted comma means it will print as it is. And the second line is LCD.print sensor value. It is without double inverted comma. That means the value inside this variable, that is sensor value, it will be printed. And there will be a delay of 1000. 1000 means 1000 millisecond or 1 second. Then LCD.clear. So now I'll run this code by clicking on this tick icon. So if the code is correct, it will show done compiling without any error. So see, the code is completely correct. Now I'll copy the file location from here. Select this hex file, copy it, and now we'll go to the model which we have made. Double click here, and paste it here. Click on OK, and now I'll simulate it. So as you can see, after simulation it is showing the sensor value, that means this potentiometer value. So this is how we can display the data of any of the sensors in digital form on the LCD. So if you have any doubt regarding the connection, you can further refer to the previous video whose link is given in the video description. Please like, subscribe and share for future updates.